Good morning, Bedford Hills. I am Owen Terry, your SCA secretary.
And I'm Alyssa Kelly, your SCA president, and this is the news for Monday, November 25th, 2019.
Today's word of the day is genius. When you are a genius, you are someone who is unusually smart or talented.
My little sister is a genius. She is only 3 years old and can make a tower 20 blocks high.
Did you know that Joe Dimego was born on November 25th in the year 1914?
If he were still playing baseball today, he would be 105 years old. With the spirit of Thanksgiving, we have some shout-outs to share.
Teachers, Mrs. Arp is creating a way that you can effortlessly add shoutouts for each day. Please check your email for that important link. Here's a shout out to Zaylen Garland from Mrs. Burkhart's room. Zaylen was using great manners and being a gentleman when he held the door for my whole class as we were leaving Movement Ed. Good job, Zaylen.
Shout out to Mrs. White's class for being the best reading buddies with Mrs. Burkhart's class. We hope to see you soon and read some more great books with you.
Mrs. McKinney would like to give a big shout out for Mrs. Thompson for all she has done in taking over her class time and time again. She always does it with willingly and with a smile. Thank you, Mrs. Thompson. Miss McKinney does not know what she would do without you.
This is Alyssa Kelly
and Owen Terry. Remember, be respectful,
be responsible,
be right to learn.
It's the Husky way every day. Have a great day.